Stop. Do not scroll. I have been waiting for you to listen. This moment is not random. This message did not find you by accident. I allowed it to reach you. Now. You have been questioning silently, wondering why nothing moved, why doors closed, why people changed, why effort didn't match results. And you almost believed the lie that maybe you were forgotten. Listen carefully, my child. I did not forget you. I slowed things down on purpose. I saw you trying to stay strong when no one noticed. I saw you choosing peace when you had every reason to react. I saw you holding back tears so others wouldn't worry. You thought your patience was invisible, but heaven recorded every moment. What felt like delay was actually protection. What felt like silence was preparation. What felt like loss was separation. I was removing what could not go with you. I was shielding you from outcomes you were not ready to carry. And now, something is shifting. Stay here because part 2 will reveal why the delay saved you and why your next season will shock people. You asked me, why did it take so long? But you didn't see what would have happened if it came earlier. If the breakthrough arrived sooner, you would have trusted the wrong people. If the blessing came faster, you would have been drained. If the opportunity opened before now, you would have shrunk to keep others comfortable. So, I waited. Not because you weren't ready, but because others weren't finished revealing themselves. I needed you to see clearly, to stop chasing approval, to stop explaining your worth, to stop settling just to escape waiting. That's why certain relationships faded. That's why some plans collapsed suddenly. That's why familiar doors closed without warning. They expired. Not everyone who started with you was meant to finish with you. Not everyone who smiled was safe to trust. Not everyone who stayed was aligned. And now, hear me. The version of you that survived that season is stronger than you realize. You don't panic the same. You don't beg the same. You don't doubt yourself the same. That's growth. And growth is the requirement for what I am releasing next. Stay with me, because part 3 reveals what is being restored and how it will appear differently than before. This is not just about what you lost. It's about what was taken unfairly. Time, confidence, opportunities, peace. Nothing was hidden from me. Restoration does not mean I give you back the same situation. It means I give you back what the situation took from you. You will walk differently, speak differently, decide differently. What is coming will not require begging. It will not require chasing. It will not require proving anything. It will recognize you. People will feel the shift before you explain it. Doors will open without force. Respect will come without you asking. But listen closely. With restoration comes temptation. You will be tempted to explain your journey, to remind people of your pain, to reconnect out of nostalgia. Do not do it. Silence is wisdom now. Peace is your confirmation. Some will return only because they sense elevation. Some will watch quietly, confused by your calm. Let them, because the next phase is not about noise. It is about stability. Stay here because part 4 reveals what I expect from you next and how to protect what's coming. Now listen carefully. What I am releasing cannot be carried with old habits. Move slower, choose wiser, speak less. Not every open door is for me. Not every opportunity is aligned. Not every voice deserves access. Check peace before agreement, alignment before excitement, direction before decision. Guard your time, guard your energy, guard your heart. Do not announce prematurely what I am still forming. Do not explain yourself to people who lost access by design. You do not need validation. You do not need revenge. You do not need their apology. What I have planned does not depend on them. Walk forward quietly. Stay obedient. Stay listening. Because what is coming will last. What is coming will remain. What is coming will not be taken. You are not late. You are not behind. You are right on time. If this message reached you, the shift has already begun. Type Amen if you receive this. Stay attentive because this season has only just started.